Iron and hot cell products are blender, air fryer steamer, smokeless grill and juicer. Our company specializes in product development, quality control, supply chain operation, visual design, and branding. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We are committed to providing premium home appliance clients. Besides, we also operate in domestic online and offline market, which also achieve rapid growth. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries as Southeast Asia, East Asia, Europe, North America, and Taiwan, China. Not only traditional OEM and ODM business, but also product co-development, supply chain service, and brand cooperation. If you have any ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.